What's up everybody, Tony here with High-Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at a clear case made by Simtect for the brand new iPhone 14 Pro. Now I will also be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself, and if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So let's go and see what you get inside the box. So it comes with a couple lanyards, one that you can wear around your neck that is pretty long, and another one that you can put around your wrist. It also comes with two of these little inserts here. This is what you're going to connect your lanyards to, and I'll show you how to install that in just a few minutes. And then here is the case itself. Now before you put your phone in here, it does have a little plastic cover on the back that you're going to want to peel off. So really quick, before I put the phone inside the case, I just want to tell you a little bit about Simtect and their technology that they have inside these cases. Now they're ultra clear, just like crystal. They're specifically designed for the iPhone 14. This case is made of premium DE Bayer materials, which have dual certifications in safety from the ROHS and SGS. It uses exclusive micro dot laser craft and 2% Blu-ray molecular injection to ensure 100% light transmittance, which makes the Simtect iPhone 14 case clearer than others, fully showing off the color of your beautiful phone. This case will also never yellow and will always stay pristine because it features an anti-fingerprint electroplate coating, an anti-oxidation coating, and a nano oleophobic layer. This iPhone 14's clear case can also block up to 99% ultraviolet rays, stains, fingerprints, and sweat effectively, so you can save unnecessary expense on frequent transparent case replacement. It also has a remarkable 10-foot mill-grade shockproofing. Simtect for the iPhone 14 shockproof case is certified by the military standard and survived 8,000 plus drop tests up to 10 feet. Adopted with the durable hard PC back, soft TPU bumper, and exclusive patent 4-corner runaway airbags. The case creates multiple protection to avoid accidental damage. Say no to expensive repair costs and strike a perfect balance between sleekness and protection. Also, the raised bezels prevent screen and camera from getting scratches, and the ingenious design of the 2.5mm raised camera bezel and the 1.2mm raised screen bezel aim for extra and comprehensive protection. Plus, the backboard is made of a rigid anti-scratch polycarbonate. No need to fear scratches. Slide the phone across your desk, bar, or table. Simtect always focuses on every detail. Accuracy is also key for Simtect, which is why they take extra care in lining up the cutouts for your iPhone 14's buttons, mics, and speakers, and charging ports. 0.04-inch ultra slim design lets your phone slide in and out of your pocket easily, also making the case support wireless chargers. Moreover, its curved slides and smooth grip provide ergonomic comfort in your hands. They also offer a lifetime warranty for the case, and you can also chat with a customer support specialist 24/7 about your warranty and other service items. So again, as you can see, this case is super clear. Let's go ahead and put our phone inside. Pops in there nice and easily, and as you can see, it does have a nice raised edge all around the screen, so if you happen to put your phone face down, it won't touch the screen, but it'll touch the edges here. As you can see, it's got a nice separated volume rocker, a little cutout for your mute button. We have the cutouts for your charging port, the speaker, and the microphone. And then here we have our serrated power button, which is the same as the volume rocker, so you can easily find them. They're nice and clicky, very nice feeling in the hand. It's nice and grippy, so you don't have to worry about the phone just slipping out of your hand. And if we go ahead and take a look at the back here, you can see the nice raised edge around the camera for that extra protection as well. And then as you can see, it's nice and clear on the back to show off the color of whatever phone you get. Very nice. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is take that little clear piece that I showed you, and you're going to simply slide it down through the little charging port, and it's going to sit in your case just like that. You can just press it down a little bit so it stays in place, and then we just take our phone and put it back into our case. just like that. Then you can take one of your lanyards here and simply clip it through the little hole on the piece there, and you're all set. Super simple to do, quick and easy. So I really do like this case. I like the look and feel of it. The buttons I really like because they are textured, and these volume rockers are separated, as you guys know I love. So again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Later.